Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Wander with Darwin. So today Darwin is gonna wander to some a very unique place, and the place is Sharjah Art Foundation. Now why Sharjah Art Foundation? Because specifically there's a place which is a rain room. Okay, so you walk across that room, it's raining. Okay, you walk across that room and you don't get wet. So let's explore. Let's go and check whether I'm actually gonna get wet or not. Okay. Okay, so we've reached over here, Sharjah Art Foundation. My slot is from 2:45 till 3 p.m. It's just a 15-minute thing. So still there are 10 minutes left. I mean, I've got 10 minutes left. So just waiting over here in the waiting room. And then after that, maybe it's going to be my number. So we will go together, you and me.
Sharjah Art Foundation, and we collaborated with Random International to create this machine using sensors. So over here we have sensors all around the machine, and this machine was created to see the relationship between the human and the machine. So two things you have to do to avoid getting wet. The first thing, you have to walk really slow.
Okay.
So take your time going inside. You could go from the corner, from the side, doesn't matter.
Okay, so trust me guys, this was amazing. Okay, I got wet. There was one reason: I was too fast. You have to be too damn slow. Too slow you have to be. Okay, so I am a little wet. Yes, okay, so this thing is done. A good experience, and it was worth coming.